So based on my entire experience with dash cameras all these years, there are like two cameras which I can blindly recommend. So these cameras are the VIOFO A329S, the dual or the triple channel variant, and the VIOFO A229 Ultra, the dual or the triple channel variant. Well, for starters, the A229 Ultra dual channel is the cheapest one, coming in at a price of about 34,000 rupees. The triple channel comes at a price of about 38,000, whereas the A329S dual comes at a price of close to 40,000, and the triple channel variant of the same comes at a price of close to 45,000 rupees. So if you're someone who has kind of a no limit on the budget you want to spend on a camera, maybe you've spent lakhs of rupees on a car and a few thousand won't matter. The most premium models from VIOFO, the A329S and the A229 Ultra, are simply for you. Starting off, the main reason why anybody would buy a dash cam is to record video evidence, and you always know the quality of the evidence matters, not just the kind of evidence. And in that terms, in terms of the video quality, both these cameras produce flawless videos. I mean, basically the front camera is a Starvis 2 sensor, gets a 4K native 4K resolution, and this video quality is crisp, CRISP. It is sharp, it is punchy, and if you do activate HDR, you get all the bright colors. I mean, what can I say? The front camera and the rear camera also is equally good. In the A229 Ultra, you get a 4K rear. In the A329, you get a 2K rear. Nevertheless, both cameras, front and the rear, in both these dash cameras are simply good and beyond any doubt the best possible video qualities you can get from any dash cam out there. That being said, what's most important is the cabin camera. So the cabin camera in both A329S and the A229 Ultra gives you a fisheye lens. So this is a first in segment. There's no other dash cam that offers you a fisheye cabin camera. And what this camera does is give you a widest field of view from any cabin, giving you near 360-degree coverage just right from the cabin cam itself. So this will ensure you can record what's happening outside the car and inside the car using the same camera. The quality from both the cabin cameras is simply good, especially the field of view, as I mentioned, is something beyond doubt. Now, what more you can know is that the VIOFO A329S offers you a low power impact detection mode, which basically gives you nearly 15 days worth of parking monitoring. There is no other camera that can last 15 days on battery power, whereas the VIOFO A329S in its low power impact detection mode can just do that. So you can park your car without any worries for the longest duration of time. And if anybody even slightly bumps into your car, the camera has a response time of less than a second. It will start up immediately and start recording a quick capture video, which will enable you to see what caused the bump in reality. Both these cameras also have so many unique and innovative features, starting off with the fact that this gets the fastest Wi-Fi 6 transfer speeds. In the A329S, you also get a 4 TB SSD storage to someone who prefers to have the biggest storage capacity. You also get a VIOFO app connection. Basically, you can install the VIOFO app if you do have an Android car system within your car, and you can stream the video directly within your car system. Also, both the cameras in terms of parking monitoring provide you a low bitrate mode, auto event detection, time-lapse recording. Basically, if you're someone who is looking to monitor your car when it is parked, both these cameras are simply the perfect choices, because the kind of parking monitoring features these two cameras offer, there's probably no other camera in the world that can match up to them. And if you thought this was the end of it, well, I haven't even come to the best part yet. VIOFO now offers a full 2-year warranty on their dash cameras, which means you can be worry free for the entire duration of 2 years. You also get 1-year warranty on the accessories also. Additionally, VIOFO also offers you a free pickup and drop service right from your doorstep in case of any warranty issues. So which means you don't even have to step out of your home if you want to get the camera replaced or get it repaired. So this makes VIOFO one of the best service providers in terms of dash cameras in India. And if you're someone who doesn't bother to spend a premium amount on dash cameras and you want the best of what's out there, go grab these two cameras right now. The purchase links are given right down below in the description. Additionally, there's a secret hidden deal which you can also grab using my affiliate link. Well, what's the secret deal? Well, let me just write that down in the description. You can just click on it and check out what's the deal. You can save up some money on your next purchase of the VIOFO cameras. That being said, I have tested out and thoroughly tested out both the A329s and the A229 Ultra, and both these cameras are my personal favorites in terms of the best dash cam that is available in the world right now. So no need to ponder about anymore, no need to get confused about this anymore. If you have that kind of a budget, just go ahead and grab it. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of these two cameras, I have made plenty of videos on each of them. You can check them out on my channel. I've highlighted all the features, shown you the unboxing, the settings, the video quality, and the number plate readability as well. Just make sure to check that out if you do have any doubts or queries. And of course, you can always write your queries down in the comments so that I can get back to you as soon as possible. And if you did like this video and if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who deserve one of the best dash cameras that's available out there. Thanks for watching and safe riding.